probably the only aviation museum in the country that has unlimited access to so many cockpits unsupervised. There are museums who have specific aircraft open to the public, but they nearly always have a volunteer standing by to when people are in the cockpit. We have, I've forgotten the number now, we have about 9 of these aircraft where the cockpits are open, there are steps there, and people can go and actually sit in. More importantly, children can sit in and handle the controls. And this is the big attraction of this museum, is they want to get in, they want to handle things. It is perhaps a little unfortunate that very young children want to press every button and to pull every lever, and this leads to a little bit of wear and tear, and so I think the trustees generally now agree that that's the way forward, with whenever possible will we open cockpits.
This is quite a famous aircraft.
Was bought and was owned by Peter Bath, who ran a very successful travel company along the south coast. This was his only aircraft which he leased. He used to come and see every movement off and got to know the passengers quite well. And so Bath Travel and Peter Bath has quite a, who's passed on now, has quite a following locally.
When do you plan to reopen?
Plan is to open on the 10th of July, just a few days after the general opening of pubs and restaurants and things. We don't know, we have no idea how it's going to go. We hope that people will flock here, but we are all looking forward to the opening. A lot of work has gone on with volunteers during the last 3 months while we've been closed.
This BAC 111 is in really good condition, so if you're in the Bournemouth area next time, pop into the museum, come and have a look yourself.